Welcome back to the channel. If you are tired of staring at charts all day or making emotional trading decisions on Deriv, today's video is a game changer for you. We're exploring PivotCore.net, a powerful automated trading platform designed specifically for Deriv traders. Whether you're a beginner or a pro, this platform is built to simplify your workflow and help you execute strategies with precision. Today, I'm demonstrating one of the most popular strategies, the even-odd contract. The beauty of PivotCore is how it handles the execution for you. In this session, I've set a very specific and disciplined goal. I'm placing 10 trades in total with a clear target of hitting 5 wins. This 50% target is a realistic way to manage your balance while testing the efficiency of the bot's entry points. What makes PivotCore stand out is its seamless integration with Deriv. It's an auto trading platform that removes the human error factor. You don't have to click manually and worry about lag. Once you set your parameters, like your stake and your target, the system takes over. It's fast, reliable, and designed to run even when you aren't glued to your screen. As you watch the trades unfold, notice how the platform handles each contract. By planning for 5 wins out of 10 trades, we're focusing on consistency over luck. This platform gives you the tools to analyze the market trends and let the automation do the heavy lifting. It's about trading smarter, not harder. If you've been looking for a way to automate your Deriv strategies, PivotCore.net is the place to be. The interface is clean, and setting up your first bot takes only a few minutes. It's perfect for those who want to maintain a professional trading routine without the stress of manual execution. Trading is all about having the right edge, and automation is that edge in 2026. If you want to try this even-odd strategy or explore other automated tools, head over to PivotCore.net right now. Sign up, connect your account, and start your journey toward disciplined, automated trading. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more strategy breakdowns.